Welcome to J&J's test video of SSBU 476, a 1995 Buick Roadmaster sedan. Has 88,000 miles on it. It's actually pretty nice until you get back here. Somebody plowed into the back of it. But it does run, it does drive. Got a pretty nice interior in it. Nice seats, columns tight. The good old B-bodies. We're going to leave that LT1 together with the transmission. Has nice fender liners in it. $87,960 or $696. Heater control works, radio works. Oh, it sounds like the power antenna even works. So there you go. Was a nice car. Owner's manual up there. Alright, that's it. As always, oh, it's got a good door panel. As always, thank you for watching. And have your pets spayed and neutered.